Article 243Q of the Indian Constitution is a part of the 74th Amendment, which deals with the constitution of municipalities in urban areas. This article provides the framework for establishing different types of municipalities based on the size and nature of the area. Here's a breakdown. 1. Types of municipalities, Clause 1. Article 243Q mandates the formation of 3 types of municipalities in every state, depending on the area's characteristics. A. Nagar Panchayat. For a transitional area, which is an area transitioning from rural to urban. This type of municipality is meant for areas that are not fully urbanized but are on the way to becoming urban. B. Municipal Council. For a smaller urban area. This is typically for towns or small cities that are already urban but do not have a very large population or extensive infrastructure. C. Municipal Corporation. For a larger urban area. This is for large cities or metropolitan areas with a significant population and complex urban infrastructure. 2. Exemption for industrial townships, Proviso to Clause 1. The governor of the state has the discretion to exclude certain areas from being constituted as municipalities. Specifically, if an area is heavily influenced by an industrial establishment, and the municipal services are either provided or proposed to be provided by this establishment, the governor can declare the area an industrial township via a public notification. This means that the area will not have a traditional municipal governance structure, as its needs are being met by the industrial entity. 3. Defining the areas, Clause 2. The terms transitional area, smaller urban area, and larger urban area are not rigidly defined but are left to the discretion of the governor. The governor can specify these areas by considering factors such as population, the number of people living in the area. Population density, how densely the area is populated. Revenue generation, the income generated for local administration. Employment in non-agricultural activities, the percentage of people working in industries or services rather than agriculture. Economic importance, the overall economic significance of the area. The governor can also consider other factors deemed relevant and make a public notification to classify an area under any of these categories. Summary. Article 243Q outlines the establishment of different types of municipalities based on the urbanization level of an area. It also gives the governor the authority to determine what constitutes a transitional, smaller, or larger urban area and to exclude certain industrial areas from being governed by a traditional municipal body. The Constitution of India. Part 9A. The Municipalities. Article 243Q. Constitution of Municipalities. 1. There shall be constituted in every state a Nagar Panchayat, by whatever name called, for a transitional area, that is to say, an area in transition from a rural area to an urban area. B. A municipal council for a smaller urban area, and C. A municipal corporation for a larger urban area, in accordance with the provisions of this part. Provided that a municipality under this clause may not be constituted in such urban area or part thereof as the governor may, having regard to the size of the area and the municipal services being provided or proposed to be provided by an industrial establishment in that area and such other factors as he may deem fit, by public notification, specify to be an industrial township. 2. In this article, a transitional area, a smaller urban area, or a larger urban area, means such area as the governor may, having regard to the population of the area, the density of the population therein, the revenue generated for local administration, the percentage of employment in non-agricultural activities, the economic importance or such other factors as he may deem fit, specify by public notification for the purposes of this part.